Hey there, YouTube friends. Today I'm going to install a pair of these cordless Allen Roth Blackout Cellular shades that we bought from Lowe's for $50 each, and we'll be using an outside mount to install them. These are the windows we're working on. Each window is 32 inches wide, but we'll be hanging 35-inch shades and butting them together. The shades come with two mounting brackets and wood screws. Here's a quick look at the instructions. You can do an outside mount or inside mount. We'll be doing the outside mount. I'll attach each bracket near the end of the rail, and the brackets attach to the rail just by hooking the bracket onto the front of the rail and pulling back on the bracket, and it'll just snap right into place. Now I'll hold the rail up to the window frame, making sure it's level. Mark where I want the end of the rail and mark where the brackets are. To remove the bracket, I'll remove the end cap first, and then I'll just slide the bracket right off the rail. Once the bracket is off, I'll just put the end cap back on. Now I'll attach both brackets to the molding around the window with the wood screws provided. With both brackets up, I'll line up the end of the rail with the pencil mark I made on the molding. I'll hang the rail on the little hook on the bracket and just push back, and when you push back, it'll snap right into place. Now I'll just lower the shade to make sure everything looks correct and it's lined up properly. To attach the handle, these two prongs need to be facing up. And you just hook those two prongs to the top of the rail and it'll just snap right on. Now I'll repeat the process with the other side, making sure the shades are butt together. I'll lower the shade and make sure everything is lined up and looks correct. Here's a look at the shade at 1 p.m. in the bedroom. I'll move over to the living room, which has regular blinds, and you can see it's a lot brighter in here. To finish off the look, Rita made a valance with fabric we bought from the Hobby Lobby, and I'll hang it on a 5-inch deep curtain rod. And this is the final look of the shades. We're happy with it, well worth the money, easy to install. And if you're on Elvis hours like me and like to sleep in the daytime, it keeps the sunlight out. If you like the video, please like, please subscribe. Happy home improvement. We'll catch you next time.